Is she silly? Is she a silly head? Hey, Jakes.
Mommy.
What? Who's snoring? That is too loud for my ears. That's too loud for my ears. Is it too loud for your ears, Jacob? Is it too loud for your ears? Say, Emma, what are you doing? No, Jacob's snoring. Can you snore, buddy? You silly.